What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Justina Alyssa. Okay, I know that it has been like a very long time since you guys seen me, but guess what? I am in my kitchen and today we are going to be doing an unboxing review on my new juicer that I got. So here it is. This is literally what I have been waiting for months. I ordered this I think I ordered this, I'd say like 4 months ago. But since the house has been under construction, I have not been able to use my juicer. So I wanted to show you guys every single thing that is in here and I wanted to try it out tonight. So in case you didn't know what this was, this is the Nama juicer, but check this out. Okay, a warm welcome from Nama. Thank you, Nama. I mean, it wasn't a gift, I did pay for this, but thank you. I'm so excited to try this out. Okay. We got juice container, pulp container. So I'm sure we're gonna need those today. Let's open that up. Here's one. And here's two. Okay. That back. Oh. It literally says start here on this box. It's okay. We went a little bit ahead just to make room. Okay, so it says start here. We'll be starting here. And there's an envelope. Quick start here guide, user manual and recipe book. Yes, that's literally, really needed a recipe book. All right, so this is the quick start guide. This is what we'll start with. So it's literally teaching me how to assemble this thing. And it's telling me what each part is. So there's a parts overview right here. See that? And then we have the assembly part next to it. And then there's like 2 other pages of assembly. So we'll keep this right here handy and hope that we can get this right. Let's take out what we have in here. Oops. A warm welcome from Nama. Yes. All right, so, oh cool. There's a layering guide. So load your hopper in this order for best results. This is actually really good to know how to juice and how to do it the right way because these juicers are very expensive and we do not want to be messing them up. So let's, wow, okay. This thing is huge. I did not think it was this big. This is the lid, obviously. You can see that. How do we open this? All right, there's a little switch here. You just pop it and then it lifts it, so that's good safety. This is the hopper. Inside we have a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know how to open this. Okay, found it. Just twist. Now we got the auger, which is this part. Wow, this thing is serious. Then we have the strainer. Okay, this is the spinning brush and this is the strainer. So these are connected. This is good to know, especially like for cleaning the juicer. You want to know what part is what. I just hope that okay, I think it's fine. You just literally push it in. Okay, and then this bad boy right here is our chamber. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I've been dying to juice forever. If I show you the little mini juicer that I have been using, it was like $50 on Amazon, but it was a great starter juicer. But man, that thing wasted so much juice. So I'm just glad that I finally upgraded. Oh, I'm already doing it wrong. All right, so this side has to line up with this part. Yes. So it's just a twist. So that is connected and ready to go. Okay, so they pretty much already had it assembled, but I guess they're just giving you instructions to show you, you know, like once you take it apart and have to clean it. So let's get the other box. So now the next part is the base. Okay. We have the outlet, the cord, not the outlet. We have the cord. And here is our base. This thing is heavy. Jeez. Okay. Okay, I really did not know this juicer was this big. This base is the size of the juicer that I wanted. Like, I just wanted it to be this size. This thing is ginormous. Okay, cool. Well, I'm really excited. And yes, I did get it in black because I wanted it to match all my, you know, black accents in my kitchen. Let's plug this in. So we got everything that we need. There's another layer guide on here, but today I'm only doing cucumbers, celery, apples, and lemon. Here's a warm welcome. Thank you, and let your juicing journey begin. The Nama team and I would like to thank you for purchasing our cold press juicer. We understand the Nama juicer is a significant investment. Yes, it is, in your health, and we are grateful that you have chosen to join our community. There's like a whole bunch of other things, but I'm not reading all that right now. I'll read it on my own time. Okay, so like I would normally wash this first, but since like I had to do a box opening, I'm just gonna do it and then I'll clean it again. But we're gonna do every single thing that I prepped, but we're gonna do most of it. But wow, this juicer it's beautiful. Okay, we got reverse and we got on. All right, are you guys ready to see me juice for the first time? So this is the pulp container, this big boy, and the one with the handle is our juice container. Okay, so that setup was pretty easy. Today I will be doing cucumbers, lemons, celery, and green apples. I did already prep some of them. So I have some cucumbers right here. I have cucumbers, I have my lemons already peeled and cut in half. I have my celery, I just washed them. This is 2 batches of celery, organic celery. And I have 2 green apples, which I have to cut. I have ginger, but I won't be doing ginger today. Just these 4 things, just to try out our Nama and see how good she is. We're gonna start off with soft, since there is a layering guide and I wanna follow it. I don't wanna mess up my juicer already. So we are going to layer our juicer. Let me move this just so I can show you how I will be layering it. So we have lemons first, since they are super soft. This was just 1 lemon. If you have a Nama or if you're really good at juicing, can you let me know if you peel your cucumbers? I know the skin, I kind of feel like I should have peeled them, but we shall see. All right, so this is 2 whole cucumbers that I have. I did cut them into big pieces. This is my first time using this. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm already at the fill line, as you can see right here. So let's juice these and see how it works, and then we'll try the apple and the celery. So while this is juicing, I'm gonna cut up my apple. Are you guys ready? I am. All right, so let's turn it on. Oh wow, it's filling up fast. You ready? Okay, like I've only seen that on Instagram Reels, and now I'm just amazed because I have it. You guys, this is a beast. Literally a beast. Let's get this celery in here because I want to see this celery go. All right, there we go. Pop that handle. Let's get this celery going. So that was literally just the lemon and the cucumbers. Sorry, I'm right here. That was just the lemon and the cucumbers. So we're gonna fill up our celery. I washed them. I cut them into little pieces. And let's fill it up to the finish line, well, max line. Let's see what, oops. Literally warms up my heart watching this. You guys. Woo, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the celery in. That was actually really quick. Might need another container. I literally just filled out an entire mason jar in minutes. All right, so for the apples, I think the apples are probably in the soft guide or layer. So I should have put the apples before the cucumbers and celery because it did take a little longer. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. There's gonna be tons more of videos of me juicing and trying new things. I definitely want to do the ice cream sherbet. I definitely want to do the smoothies in here, the juicing. I want to make all different kinds of juices and shots for the morning. I just can't believe still right now how quickly this machine just juiced everything that I cut, because the juicer that I had before, I literally would be standing for maybe like 2 hours, not even kidding. And I wouldn't even get a jar this full. So I have this large mason jar full and I still have more. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. There will be more. So if you do have any questions, ask away. That way when I do my next video, hopefully I'll be a little better at it and I can help you out and show you how my Nama journey is going. I will be juicing for my health. I have been eating extremely clean, and this is just gonna be an add-on to my diet and, you know, getting my body fit, my skin clear, and my health in order. So if you guys are on a journey or something similar to that, I say subscribe right now, like,